If you find yourself locked out of your Mint Mobile account, don't worry. Follow these steps to recover access quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the Mint Mobile website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your account information. Provide the required information, such as your email address or phone number associated with your Mint Mobile account. This is necessary for verifying your identity. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your information, check your email or SMS for a password reset link or verification code. Follow the instructions provided in the message to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven to use before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Mint Mobile account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Mint Mobile customer support for further assistance.